First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, on this Wednesday morning, we've got a little patchy fog in a few places, but no rain showing up yet. But like yesterday, we are expecting some showers to pop up as we go through the day. Here is First Alert Live Doppler radar, all clear around the area this morning. But again, in those locations that picked up rainfall yesterday, we had it kind of surrounding the Bowling Green area and some heavier rain as you headed north into places like Butler County and over toward Edmonson County and the Mammoth Cave National Park area. That's where you're going to find the worst of the fog this morning. 68 degrees, the current temperature reading right now. Air quality has not improved at all. In fact, it is still in the high category because of ragweed, and it is running rampant. I can tell you that just by my own testimony here. Ozone and molds are both in the moderate category here, and then for UV, it is still in the high category, but we are anticipating a lot of this pollen to come down as we get into the weekend, and that cold front, that significant cold front that's going to come through tomorrow. As a result of that, the weekend, we should find a lot better conditions in the pollen count. Here's a look at Mesonet temperatures right now in the upper 60s, some low 70s like Scottsville at 71, then Edmonton is at 72 at this hour, Hodgenville at 71, so it's Calhoun right now. And as we look live from our Doppler cam, we're seeing some high clouds, a little patchy fog, but overall, a mainly clear start over Bowling Green. 68 degrees, current temperature reading right now with a calm wind, 99% humidity in the barometer falling. A few of our weather cams, we go to Munfordville and Hart County. Your temperature at 68 degrees and a clear sky there this morning. At the Bowling Green Airport, it's clear, 68 degrees as we look down Scottsville Road. And then as we check current temperatures regionally, mostly upper 60s to low to mid 70s, like Memphis at 76 at this hour. But the temperature is starting to show signs of not being quite as hot as they have been over the last few days. In fact, 5 degrees cooler right now in St. Louis, 2 degrees cooler right now in Bowling Green than we were in the 6 o'clock half hour just yesterday. There you see the remnants of those showers and thunderstorms that popped up over the area yesterday. They pretty much aligned with Interstate 65, and then they just drifted slowly northward. There was really nothing in the way of wind to steer these storms, so they pretty much stayed in one place and just kind of drifted northward. And because of that, some of you picked up some heavy downpours of rain yesterday with a lot of lightning and thunder, and you can expect that to possibly happen again today as we'll look at development first to our south and east, and then that will start to drift northward as we go through the afternoon. Here comes our cold front. Now, it's not going to arrive in the Bowling Green area until sometime about midday or early afternoon tomorrow, and along and ahead of it, here we go again with another round of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon and evening. And then the first shot of cooler, drier air comes in. The secondary shot will come in as we get into Friday with some very nice weather for the weekend. We do have our first named hurricane of the Atlantic season, and it is Hurricane Umberto, which was a tropical storm, but we said it would become the first named storm of the season. In fact, it's almost the latest storm to ever be named as a hurricane in the Atlantic, but it looks like it's not going to affect anybody for a while. Tropical Storm Gabrielle is just barely breathing over Bermuda right now, but it looks like it too is going to miss the U.S. and not really cause anybody any problems. Warm and humid today, chance of a scattered shower or thunderstorm around 90 once again, then isolated evening showers giving way to partly cloudy skies overnight and a low of 70. Tomorrow we'll make it back to 89 with a 60% chance that you will get rained on tomorrow. So we'll say showers and thunderstorms likely as that cold front comes punching in. But after that, oh, so nice and very fall-like. For Friday, a high of only 79. We may get down to 50 by early Saturday morning. Some locations may dip as far as the upper 40s for overnight lows early Saturday morning. And after that, upper 70s to low 80s for the rest of the weekend into next week.